Hi there, fellow travelers! EURAIL has a 25% off offer until December 17, 2024. Travel Europe conveniently and save on costs by using the EURAIL Pass. If you're still not familiar with the EURAIL Pass, click on this link to learn more via my dedicated EURAIL Pass guide. Quick summary of the EURAIL Pass is that the pass offers convenience and flexibility to travel across Europe using one pass only, eliminating the hassle of purchasing several passes across different countries and rail companies. Here's some quick information on several commonly asked questions that I see on various groups like on Facebook and Reddit regarding the EURAIL Pass. Flexi Pass versus Continuous Pass. There are two types of Global Pass: the Flexi Pass and the Continuous Pass. The main difference between the Flexi Pass versus the Continuous Pass is that the Flexi Pass can be used on different non-consecutive days, unlike the Continuous Pass, which once activated, offers unlimited travel every day within the validity period. As an example, we're going to use the cheapest Flexi and Continuous Passes, which is the 4 days Flexi Pass and the 15 days Continuous Pass. With the 4-day Flexi Pass, you can travel 4 separate days within December, like December 1, December 7, December 21, and December 31. With a Continuous Pass, once you activate it on December 1, you have unlimited train travel until December 15. So the question now is, which is better? It really depends on the type of traveler you are. If you want a more relaxed itinerary who want to explore at their own pace and don't plan to travel every single day, the Flexi Pass is better and it's also cheaper. When we traveled to Europe several months ago, the Flexi Pass was the better option for us as we're traveling with a senior and a toddler, and we don't plan to travel each day. We also had a chance to explore more of the area that we're staying in. If you're more of a backpacker or those with a tight, packed schedule covering multiple cities or countries, the Continuous Pass might be a better option, as you can ride trains daily within the validity period of your pass. EURAIL? INTERRAIL? So, what's the difference? It's almost the same, except that the EURAIL Pass is for non-European residents, while INTERRAIL is for European residents including the UK and Turkey. One special rule for INTERRAIL is that you cannot use it unlimitedly in your home country, but you can use it once to start or end your journey in Europe. The EURAIL Pass grants access to a wide network of trains across 33 European countries, including high-speed trains, regional trains, and some scenic and night trains. Travel by train across Europe, including popular destinations like France, Italy, Spain, and Switzerland. Having used EURAIL Pass twice already, back in 2016 and now in 2024, it was both a seamless experience using the EURAIL Pass for all trains that we use for traveling, which includes high-speed trains between countries and local regional trains within a country. Just use the QR code that the EURAIL Pass app generates within your travel day at the train station or with a train conductor. Some high-speed trains, the ones that usually travel between countries like Eurostar and TGV, require you to book a reservation on top of your EURAIL Pass. This assures you of a seat, especially on high-traffic routes like London and Paris. Reservations can be done through several websites and even through the EURAIL Pass app and cost around 10 to 30 euro. Other trains like the high-speed SBB trains in Switzerland aren't required, and I do suggest saving your money on reservations as there's plenty of seats, especially on the first class section. Can you use the EURAIL Pass on other transportation like buses or trams? Mostly no, though there are a few exceptions, so best to check the EURAIL Pass website and Rail Planner app to get more information. You can use the EURAIL Pass on a whole lot of other transportation like free or discounts on ferries, some inter-country buses, and discounts on some cable cars and boat cruises. If you're in Switzerland, one of the best free boat rides via the EURAIL Pass is the BLS boats from Interlaken, covering both Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Definitely check this out if you're in the area. So, are you ready to tour Europe via train using the EURAIL Pass? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below and I will answer all your questions. If you like this video or it helped you in some way, please like and subscribe for more travel videos. I will leave you with more footage of our travel in Europe last 2024. You have a nice day!